Welcome to the Palmer. This gorgeous 4-bedroom, 2-bath home has 2,062 square feet, and you're getting to see one of the builder's model homes, which is staged with furniture. So it gives you a really good idea of how the furniture fits in this floor plan. Lots of cool things about this floor plan. So you'll notice when you walk in, there's a bedroom immediately at the front of the home. And then what I love about this floor plan is that it has 2 living spaces. So it's got, when you walk in, a living room, like a formal living room area, which could also be used as a living/dining room. And then I love that off the kitchen, it's got another great room space, like a cozy family room space. And you can also put a breakfast nook table in that area as well. The master is huge in this floor plan. As you'll see, there's a huge king size bed in there, and it's quite spacious. And then all of the rooms in this floor plan are really, really spacious. So come check it out.